Let me ask you something. What happens when the wrong chemicals are stored together? Best case scenario, nothing. Worst case? Well, we're talking about chemical storage safety, and more importantly, what should never be stored together. Let's get started. Proper chemical storage is about staying organized, but it's also largely about preventing serious incidents. When incompatible chemicals mix, whether from a leak, a broken container, or heat exposure, they can react violently. We're talking fires, explosions, toxic gas releases, and serious injuries. And the scariest part? Even a small leak can trigger a horrible reaction. Think of chemicals like roommates. Some get along just fine. Others? Absolutely not. Safe storage isn't as easy as just sealing the containers. It's separating chemicals based on how they would react with each other. Here are some combinations that should never be stored together. Acids and bases, oxidizers and flammable materials, acids and cyanides or sulfides, water-reactive chemicals and moisture, flammable liquids and ignition sources, and chlorine products and ammonia. When these mixtures come together, the reaction can happen fast and without warning. We have some good news. Safe storage is completely manageable when the right steps are followed, of course. Let's go over some of the most helpful tips. Segregate chemicals by hazard class. Use approved flammable storage cabinets. Store acids in corrosion-resistant cabinets. Keep containers tightly closed. That's an easy one, but always safer to double check that it's really on there. Clearly label everything, avoid overcrowding shelves, and store heavy containers on lower shelves. A clean, organized storage area isn't just nice to look at, it keeps the worksite moving in a steady motion. Not entirely sure where something needs to go? Don't guess, check the safety data sheet. Specifically, focus on Section 7, Handling and Storage, and Section 10, Stability and Reactivity. These sections will tell you exactly what chemicals are incompatible and how to store them safely. Even properly stored chemicals can become dangerous if the containers fail. To prevent spills or leaks, inspect the containers regularly. Replace damaged or corroded containers. Use secondary containment when needed. Keep storage areas clean and dry. And last, but certainly not least, ensure proper ventilation in the area. Once chemicals mix unintentionally, it's already too late. Wait right there, I got one more quick tip for you. Though some might be tempted, you should never store chemicals alphabetically, unless they are already separated by hazard class. Just because two containers are next to each other on a list doesn't mean they belong next to each other on a shelf. Chemical compatibility is one of the most important parts of workplace safety. Understanding what to separate and why it needs to be separated can prevent deadly fires, toxic exposures, and serious incidents. Let's keep each other safe and going home at the end of the day. I'm Kyle with JJ Safety. Thanks for watching.